Happy Juneteenth. I just wanted to, yes. You guys can hear me? Yes. As the blessed woman said, my name is Claudio. I'm a young pianist. I'm 17, and I'm grateful to have the audience and the presence today. I'm gonna play a few songs. I've been playing for about, like she said, 5 to 6 years, 6 to 7 years, and yes, thank you.
I met this young man. I gave him a card. He'll end up on my YouTube channel. He's Haitian, of course. Well, not of course. He's just Haitian. Man, he fucking parle Creole. Oh, don't take it personally when you see this. Pan-African event, Juneteenth, 2026, celebrating. December 12th movement program, of course. Not of course, they always do it. He's 17 and pushing and pulling. African power.